Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Fmaf is probably one of the most exciting products I've reviewed this year. It's a game changer in the world of consumer electronics, offering a unique blend of features and performance that sets it apart from the competition. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes Fmaf so special, exploring its key features, and discussing why it might be the perfect choice for you. Number 5. Titan 13 Action Figures, Assembly Completed Set. This action figure boasts 13 movable joints, allowing it to strike a variety of dynamic poses. It's a perfect tool for artists and photographers looking to hone their skills. Forget the hassle of assembly. This figure comes ready to play, saving you time and space. It's easy to organize and store, perfect for collectors. With multiple color combinations, it encourages imaginative play and storytelling. It's great for solo adventures or sharing with friends, promoting interaction and creativity. Equip this robot with a wide array of accessories to match any backstory or preference. This enhances realism and immersion, making the action figure's adventures even more exciting. This action figure makes a thoughtful gift, reflecting a deep understanding of the recipient's interests. It's ideal for any occasion, showing you truly care about their passions. What we like. This action figure has 13 movable joints, allowing for dynamic posing. It comes fully assembled, saving you time and effort. With multiple color combinations, it encourages creative storytelling. If you're a collector who enjoys posing and creating scenes, or a painter or photographer, you should consider this one. What people say. The Fmaf is a great product. The design is very sleek and modern. The product works exactly as advertised. Number 4. Funko FNAF Moon Man Plush. Get ready to meet the Moon Man. This adorable plush is officially licensed and ready to join your collection. It's the perfect addition for any FNAF fan. This soft plush is approximately 7 inches tall, making it ideal for display. You can decorate your bed, sofa, or office with it. It's also great as a nap pillow. Looking for a gift? This plush is perfect for fans of all ages. It's great for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to bring a smile to their face. Add this unique plushie to your Funko collection. This is a must-have for any FNAF Pizza Simulator fan. Collect them all and complete your set. This Moon Man doll is officially licensed by FNAF Pizza Simulator and produced by Funko. You can trust the quality and authenticity of this product. Funko is the premier creator of pop culture merchandise. They create a wide variety of items, including vinyl figures, plush, and more. Trust in their expertise. What we like. This plush is a collectible item, perfect for display. It's an ideal gift for fans of all ages. Being officially licensed ensures its authenticity and quality. If you are looking for a soft, cuddly, and officially licensed FNAF collectible, you should consider this one. What people say. We have other stuffed FNAF toys by Funko and they're all decent quality. The colors are vibrant but not cheap looking. My son plays with them often and they hold up fine. It has cool colors and great size. I loved how soft and cuddly it is. Has nice embroidery work. Number 3. Bioworld 5 Nights at Freddy's Boys Boxer Briefs. Get ready for a spooky adventure with these awesome boxer briefs. They feature your favorite characters from Five Nights at Freddy's. Made with soft, breathable fabric, these briefs keep you comfortable all day. They're perfect for school, playtime, or even a night of gaming. Each pair showcases a different character from the game. You'll love showing off these cool designs to your friends. This 5-pack ensures you have a fresh pair for every day of the school week. It's a great value and a must-have for any Freddy fan. Don't miss out on these fantastic boxer briefs. They're the perfect way to show off your love for Five Nights at Freddy's. Grab a pack today. What we like. This set includes 5 boxer briefs, perfect for everyday wear. Designed specifically for youth boys, it offers a comfortable fit. Featuring FNAF designs, it's a great way to show off your fandom. If you like FNAF and need comfortable underwear, you should consider this one. What people say. The Fmaf is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. The product works as advertised. Number 2. Five Nights at Freddy's Split Face Youth T-shirt. Get ready to dive into the world of Five Nights at Freddy's. This awesome t-shirt features a split face design, perfect for any young fan. It's a must-have for those who love the game. The shirt showcases a cool split face graphic. This design is instantly recognizable and will make you stand out. It's a great way to show off your love for the game. Made with comfortable materials, this shirt is perfect for everyday wear. Whether you're hanging out with friends or playing the game, it will keep you feeling great. It's designed for a comfortable fit. This is official merchandise, so you know you're getting the real deal. The quality is top-notch, and the design is authentic. Show your support for the game with this awesome tee. If you're a fan of Five Nights at Freddy's, this shirt is a must-have. It's a great way to express your fandom and show off your love for the game. Get yours today. What we like. This t-shirt is designed for youth, ensuring a comfortable fit. It features a unique split-face design. Showcasing FNAF, it's a perfect way to display your love for the game. If you are looking for a cool and comfortable FNAF-themed t-shirt, you should consider this one. What people say. The Fmaf is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. The features are user-friendly and easy to navigate. Number 1. Funko Pop. Games Jumpscare Baby Vinyl Figure number 224. This is the Funko Pop figure from the popular game, Five Nights at Freddy's, sister location. It's a collectible item for fans of the series. You can add it to your collection today. This figure features Jumpscare Baby, a character from the game. The design captures the character's unique look. It's a must-have for any fan. The figure is based on the sister location game. It's a great way to show your love for the game. This figure is a great addition to any collection. This is the figure's unique number in the Funko Pop game series. This number helps you identify the specific figure. Collect them all. This is a Funko Pop figure, known for its distinctive design. It's a great collectible item. Get yours now. What we like. This figure features Jumpscare Baby, a unique character. It's an exclusive vinyl figure, making it a rare find. As a Funko Pop, it's a well-known collectible. If you like collecting Funko Pop figures and love FNAF, you should consider this one. What people say. Fast shipping. Box and product in excellent condition. My daughter is going to love for Christmas. The Funko Pop was in excellent condition. The details on this pop is spectacular. No damage to the pop box at all. I got this for my daughter for her collection as a collectible came in excellent condition, have no complaints whatsoever, she will love it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.